Some traditional Korean skincare remedies have been passed down for generations. Long before expensive serums and luxury skincare products existed, people relied on simple ingredients they could find at home to care for their skin. And even today, many of these remedies are still being shared across social media, with people claiming they can brighten skin, reduce wrinkles, and even slow aging. But do they actually work? I'm Dr. Lee, a Korean doctor, and today I'm going to put some of the most popular traditional Korean DIY skincare remedies to the test. Let's see what science says and whether they are worth trying at all. First, let's start with rice. Go ahead and place some rice into a bowl. In my previous video, I actually recommended against the DIY rice water cleansing. While rice water does contain some ingredients that may benefit the skin, there is also a lot of misinformation about it on social media. So, for those who still want to try rice water cleansing, I've prepared a safer method that can help reduce the risk of side effects and make it easier to use properly. When preparing rice water, rinse the rice 2 or 3 times first. Typically, the third or first rinse is used. Pour the rice water into a separate bowl or container. And that's it, your rice water is ready. You can use rice water as part of your cleansing routine, but first, complete your regular face wash. When using the rice water, gently rinse your face several times to help it coat the skin evenly. Once you are finished, rinse your face with clean running water. There are a few things you should keep in mind when making rice water. If you rinse the rice only once, impurities may still remain, so make sure to rinse it at least twice. Don't store rice water for later use. Use it fresh. Now, we are going to make a natural rice mask using the rice we washed earlier. Place the rinsed rice into a blender. Add a little honey or olive oil for texture and extra nourishment. Now, blend everything together and blend it for a long time. You can see this hasn't been blended enough yet. There are still lots of large particles. That's not what you want. If it's not blending well, add a little more water and keep blending. Oh, this looks just right. I think we've got a good consistency now. There are also a few important precautions when making a rice mask. Grind the rice as finely as possible to avoid irritating or scratching the skin. Avoid using steamed rice as some of its beneficial nutrients may be reduced during the cooking process. Don't store a prepared rice mask for later use. Since we are already making rice water, we went ahead and made a rice mask as well. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then simply rinse your face with water. 얼굴이 뽀얘졌어. 그죠? 얼굴이 뽀얘졌어. Let me briefly explain why rice can be beneficial for the skin. Rice contains vitamin B3 niacinamide, tocopherols, ceramides, and antioxidants that may help keep the skin brighter and healthier. Next is a green tea mask for those who want something even simpler. Green tea masks are incredibly easy to make. All you need is brewed green tea. I like it because it's quick and convenient. Steep the green tea in warm water. Pour the brewed green tea onto your choosing applicator. Most people use a sheet mask or cotton pads. However, some people find those materials irritating. In that case, gel pads can be a good alternative. Once the green tea has been absorbed, apply it evenly across the face. You can also apply it to your neck. Since regular cotton pads don't stay in place very well, I generally recommend the gel pad. Here are a few reasons why green tea can be beneficial for the skin. It contains catechins and vitamin C, which provide antioxidant benefit. It may help reduce acne and inflammation. It can help soothe and cool the skin. It may also help improve skin brightness and overall complexion. Next is the classic cucumber mask. Most of you are probably familiar with it already, but here are a few helpful details. Slice the cucumber thinly and at an angle to create larger pieces. That helps the slices stay on the skin more easily. And there's one more important tip. Make sure you have more than one cucumber ready. They are so tasty that you will probably keep eating them while you are making the mask.
그래서 오이팩도 이렇게 한 10분 정도 이렇게 해주시면은 잠이 스르르 이렇게 듭니다.
I think many of you have probably tried cucumber mask before. They are great for soothing the skin. They can help refresh the skin and provide hydration, leaving it feeling more moisturized. Here are a few additional tips. For cucumber mask, it's even better to chill the cucumber in the freezer before use. And if you don't have a cucumber, thinly sliced potato can be a good alternative. Finally, let's talk about the Vaseline and egg mask. To be honest, this one is just as easy to make as the cucumber mask. First, crack an egg and beat it well. Then add a small amount of Vaseline. Mix everything slowly. The reason we add Vaseline is to help lock in moisture and reduce water loss from the skin. Here's a useful tip. Adding a little lemon juice can make it even better. Now, apply your essence or toner to dampen your skin, then place a sheet mask over your face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. One important thing to remember is that egg shells can carry bacteria, so make sure you wash the egg thoroughly and be careful when cracking it. Also, don't leave the mask on for too long. If it dries completely, it can become uncomfortable and painful to remove, as I learned myself. If the mask becomes too dry, simply add a little water to soften it before filling it up. Once you are finished, rinse your face with clean running water. After trying all of these traditional Korean DIY skincare remedies, here's my honest opinion. Some of them may provide small benefits, but it's important to keep your expectations realistic. None of these remedies are miracle treatments, and they won't replace a good skincare routine, some protection or ingredients that have been extensively studied. And if you decide to try any DIY skincare remedies at home, make sure you use fresh ingredients and prepare them safely. Natural doesn't always mean safe. When homemade ingredients are stored improperly or left sitting for too long, they can become contaminated with bacteria, mold, or other microorganisms that may irritate your skin or even cause infections. So, if you are going to try these traditional remedies, use them fresh, use them carefully, and always pay attention to how your skin responds. I'm Dr. Lee, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.